Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make Creme Brulee Souffle pancakes. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need fresh eggs, milk, and flour for the pancake batter. For the creme brulee topping, prepare sugar, vanilla extract, and heavy cream. Also, make sure you have a good non-stick pan and a whisk on hand. Now, let's create that signature soufflé texture. Carefully separate your egg whites from the yolks, placing them in separate bowls. Whip the egg whites until they form stiff, glossy peaks. This is crucial for the pancake's fluffiness. Then, gently fold this meringue into your prepared yolk mixture. Cooking these delicate pancakes requires a gentle touch. Heat your non-stick pan over low heat. Spoon generous dollops of batter into the pan, then add a small amount of water and cover to create steam. Cook for several minutes, then carefully flip and cook until both sides are beautifully golden brown. The final step brings the creme brulee to life. Prepare your creamy custard topping and generously spread it over the cooked pancakes. Next, sprinkle a thin, even layer of granulated sugar over the custard. Finally, use a kitchen torch to caramelize the sugar until it's a beautiful, golden brown crust.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.